Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, welcome again to this new session of PLC tutorials. This time we'll start with latching and latching. Earlier we have done the sessions of PLC and earlier we have done some practice sessions of PLC also. So this time this is a new topic. So let's start with the latching and unlatching. To learn latching and latching we have to learn some switches also. So you can see the presentation on your screen. There are two types of switches. There are many types of switches, but I want to start with these two types of switches basically. First, on the left side you can see the toggle switch, and on the right side it is a push button. So a toggle switch you can see, you can also see at your homes also, like to switch on the fans and lights. That are the toggle switches. So when you press it on, it remains on. When you press it off, it remains off. Okay, so a toggle switch remains on the same position when you switch on or switch off. Okay, but on the other side there is a push button. Push buttons are the switches that comes to their own position, because there is some spring sort of thing in this push button. So when you press it and you release it, it comes again in its position. So though basically there are two types of switches you can see on screen, toggle and push button. Okay, so in the next screen you can also see these two types of switches. These are basically used in industries, and these are the toggle switch and push button. So I have written this NO and NC also. So there are NO type of push buttons and NC type of push buttons that are used in industry. In earlier slide also, the green one is used for generally for NO, normally open contact, and red is used for normally close contact. Okay, to stop something we use NC, that is a red push button, and to start we use the NO, that is a green push button. So generally we have given a color coding in industry that to start you use the green button and to stop use the red button. So this is the difference between NO and NC push button. So at the other end there is a toggle switch. You can toggle it down, okay, and up, so it will toggle between on and off. Okay, so next slide we will see the toggle and push button. There are some symbols. Symbols that you can also see in AutoCAD also. So you can see in toggle how we denote a toggle switch in normally open and normally closed. Okay, and again in the other side there is a push button. In push button, the normally open, you can see the symbol of normally open, and second is normally closed. Okay, when you push the NO push button, it comes down, it makes a contact, and when you release it goes up. Okay, and the contact is open. Secondly, in normally closed push button, when you press the contacts gets open, and when you release, the contacts get closed. Okay, but in other side, the toggle switch, when you press, the contacts become closed, and it remains closed until you make it open. Okay, so this is the difference between toggle and push button. Okay, now we comes to PLC part. In whether you take a push button or either you take a toggle switch, the symbol of PLC remains the same. Okay, it doesn't symbol doesn't know it is a push button or it is a toggle switch. Okay, so push button, it only shows a NO. So in PLC you can see on screen the NO symbol in PLC. I have written in PLC, and I have written a toggle switch symbol and push button symbol and PLC, how we denote it in PLC. Okay, so this is the basic part. Okay, we are going for a basic part only right now. And next, this is the chart. We will do it later. First of all, let's learn something in our PLC. Okay, so here what we want to learn is latching. What is a latching? Latching is basically to hold something. Okay, we can say it latch, we can say it is hold. Okay, so what we are doing is, when you take an input, okay, let's start with the software first, so you will understand this much better. Okay, let's see, I have input and an output. Okay, when I switch on this input, let's give the addressing. 0/0. Okay, so this is the input, and other side there is output O0:0.0/0. Okay, this simple input, simple output. Okay, let's download this program. Okay, and then we'll start. Okay, just wait, let's run it. Okay, so what we were doing, when I switch on this input, force on this input, output gets on. When I force off this input, output gets off. Okay, this is what happening. So if this input, this you can see, I have told you that when I am taking a symbol of PLC, this denotes push button, also this denotes normally open, and no in toggle switch also. So if I am taking a normally toggle switch in hardware, okay, if it is a normal toggle switch, then what we'll see, when you press that toggle switch, force on in hardware, okay, generally what do we do is we take a hardware, we connect it to the PLC, and then we get a output. Okay, output is also connected with the PLC. So when we press that input in toggle switch, okay, then this input gets on in software and this output gets off. When you press that off in toggle switch, this gets off, and this means this becomes also off. So this is in the case of toggle switch. If this input is a push button, if this input is not a toggle switch, this input is push button, what we'll do, when you will force on, it means when you press, it will remain on. Then when you release that input, it becomes off. Okay, so this output doesn't remain on. So in industry, what we do is we latch the output. Okay, we latch the output so that when we force on this input and force off this input, it means when I am forcing on and forcing off, means I am pressing the button and releasing the button. Okay, when I am pressing the button and releasing the button, then also this output should remain on. That is known as holding, or that is known as latching. Okay, so with this logic, this is not correct, because when I am forcing it on and forcing it off, you can see the output also gets off. So what we have to do, we have to add something to this circuit. Okay, so that logic is a latching logic. Okay, what I'm doing is this, I'm taking a parallel to this, I'm taking another input parallel to this. Okay, what I'm doing is this input, I am taking this addressing of this output, I am and giving it to this input. Okay, what will happen, let's see. Now download the program, run the program. Okay, when you will force on this input, okay, when you force on this input will get on, the supply will pass, and this output gets on. When this output gets on, this output will, and this output is same addressing, so this output will get on. Okay, let's see, force on, this input gets on, this output gets on, and because these two outputs are same, so this output also gets on. It means we are switching those on this input with the help of this output. So when I release this, okay, when I force off this, then also this output is on. So this circuit is known as latching. So this is a latching circuit. Okay, now you can see, when I force on input and force off input, the output gets on. Now if I force on, force off input, nothing happens, because it remains on the last state, because it is getting a supply from this circuit. This is the path. I have created a parallel path so that this output remains on without this input also. Okay, so it will remain on. So how to stop it, how to make it off? So for that, I have to make changes in circuit again. What I will do, I will take a NC over here, file type, file name, :0.0/1. Okay, now I have taken an NC. This NC will act as a stop push button in the circuit. Okay, let's run and check it. When I will force on this input, this supply will pass, this NC will make the supply pass, because this is NC, so it will pass the supply and this output gets on. This output gets on, it means this output also gets on. When I force off this, then this output remains on, it means my circuit is latched. So to break this supply, okay, so I have put this NC over here. When I force on this, see, this output gets off. When this output gets off, this output also gets off. Because this is push button, I have to force off also, because I have to push and release also, because push button doesn't remain in the same state. Okay, so when I force off this, the output gets off, this output gets off. Now this output cannot get on on its own because it needs a trigger that is given by this input. So this input is working as a start push button and this input is working as a stop push button. Okay, so I can even write down the name for this also. Okay, I will just write down the name for this. Okay, just I will give the name description. Okay, yes, I can write it start. Okay, and here I can write it stop. Okay, stop. Okay, so this is start and this is stop. So these are the push buttons that are used in industry. Okay, so you have to force on, you have to remember this, we have to force on and force off, because the push button, because I'm working in a simulation software, I'm not working in a hardware. In next video I will try to add on hardware also, so that you can learn it, you can understand it more clearly. So when you force on and force off, it means when you press and release input, you have to force on and force off right now to assume that this is a push button. And when you force on, force off, this output gets on. It means with the start, this output gets on. When you force on and force off this input also, because the stop you have to force on and force off, when you press this, output gets off. You can resemble with this thing. This is a green. When you press this green push button and release this push button, this start button gets on. When you press this red push button and release this push button, this stop gets on and off. Okay, with this circuit is working. So this is a latching circuit. Now you understand how to latch and unlatch the output. So in industry, most of the circuit works on the latching, because in this industry generally you use these push buttons only. Okay, so you have to learn this latching and unlatching circuit, and moreover we will do some questions also, but before that we have to learn this chart also. Okay, this chart I will show you in the next video. So this is a start, this is chart, this will tell you about the hardware and software. It means when you take a hardware and a software, how you put software and NO and NC in software with respect to the hardware. Okay, so this chart we will learn in the next video. In this video, this much I will add on, this much only. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning. Okay, if you have some questions, you can write down in comment box. I will try to answer all the questions. Okay, and keep practicing, keep watching my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.